Hi friends, welcome to the world of latex where fashion meets boldness and confidence. Leather fashion has been making waves combining the glossy finish of latex with the luxurious feel of leather for an unforgettable look. In this video, we'll explore various styles and how they can suit different occasions and personalities. From sleek body huggings to eye-catching brightly colored pieces that show off a playful side, there's something for everyone. We'll take a closer look at the details that make these dresses unique, the shine that catches the light, the smooth texture and the way they move with the body. So you can see shiny designs, trendy outfits, collections and ideas. So please support me by sharing my video. You can see shiny, trendy latex fashion, outfits, designs. So please support me by sharing my video. If you want to see something else, you can send us your messages by commenting. Latex leather pants, trousers, jackets, shiny designs, outfits, collections and ideas. So please subscribe and press the bell icon. You can easily buy these designs from the market and websites. Our goal is simply to help you. Latest leather fashion. Pants and trousers. This is not just fashion, it's a statement, a revolution, a challenge to the norms of style and self-expression. Welcome to the world of latex fashion for women, where confidence meets high fashion and boldness knows no limits. Latex is unlike anything else in the world. It's not just fabric, it's a smooth skin. It molds your body, enhances every movement, and gives off a mirror-like shine. The smooth, skin-tight feel of latex is experience all on its own. Latex is a futuristic, sleek, and undeniably powerful. There's something about slipping into latex that instantly makes you feel like a rock star. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. If you want to see something else, you can send us your messages by commenting in the comment section.